Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change what the power button does on your computer or your laptop. So we want to go down to search and just type in power right here and go to choose a power plan. Now, when this opens up, we're going to have these options on the left side located right here. And one of them will be change what the power button does or choose what closing the lid does on your laptop. So we can just choose this. And it's going to open up this page. And right here it says, when I press the power button, what does this do when you're on battery or plugged in? So if I'm on battery, I can go to it shuts down the computer, turns off the display only, or puts it to sleep. So sometimes you might want to just to turn off the display and still have it left on. So maybe if you have two different monitors, you want your main display to be turned off on your laptop. But then maybe you have it connected to your TV. Well, your TV would still be functioning, so you can just turn off the display right here. And then when I press the sleep button, I'm not sure if I have ever seen a computer with a sleep button. Probably, I don't know, maybe in the 90s or something. When I close the lid, I have that option right here. So just look at all these different options or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.